Hey, welcome back, my dear friend. And now, welcome to the explanation of week number 4. And I'm going to explain what you can get inside week number 4 once you access this training program. Okay, so I just was forget to talk about week number 3, launch Jackie method and advanced method. Like if you want to make the more affiliate commission to following this method, launch Jackie method. Basically, launch Jackie method is you can create your review video and rank on YouTube, and you can get free traffic. Then you can make affiliate commission. But if you don't get a lot of huge traffic and you want to scale your earning, then you can run paid ads to your YouTube review video using Google AdWords ads. Then you can make affiliate commission. So Zono explain everything how you can make affiliate commission using advanced label method. How you can set up your Google ads, and how and like for examples, how you can run streaming ads, and how you can make a review bonus page, and streaming ad setup number 2, and how you can create a discovery ads, and how you can create discovery retargeting ads. Because if you once you have a pixel data and to your Google AdWords, then you can run retargeting ads and tracking and sell everything they have explained in advanced method. So don't depend on any free traffic source if you don't have a time. Free traffic source need a lot of time. So, but you don't have a time, simply follow the this step number week number 3 process, and just run a paid ads, and you will make instant commission. You don't need to wait to any free traffic. Okay, but let's talk about week number 4. What you learn: branding and soft launch. So I have explained my first modules about building a buyer lead. So what is the fastest way to building buyer lead? If you're going to run a Facebook ad, you cannot build a buyer lead, because lead calls once someone buy product through your product and someone else's product, and you will get their email ID. That is called buyer leads. So how you can get? And it is not possible without launching your own product, without branding yourself. Because if you don't have a branding, people don't know who are you, people don't trust you, people don't like you, then no anyone buy from you anything. But Jono explain everything inside this week, like introduction video. Get your free website. If you don't have website, you can create a free website and create your first product, and basic funnel on Warrior Plus, how you can list your product on Warrior Plus, and powerful list building hacks and assignment. So they basically what they explain inside, I know I have been learned. So they explain how you can launch, how you can create your own product, and how you can launch using this Manchai website. You can list your product on manchai.com, and a lot of approximately thousands affiliate they promoting your product, and you can make approximately 300-400 sale. Just your price is that just 200, like $5 and $10. Also you will make instant sale. Also at the same time you are building your email list. So this is very important week training. So I highly recommend you this training program week number 4. So if you have any doubt, I have explained everything inside week number 4 what you get. This is just mini course launching, like called soft launching, and branding. Branding is important. I have explained everything. So because I cannot play, you cannot understand, because huge is a long program. So if you understand this program is really worth for you, simply click the link below, click the button below, and this is my special link, and go to and access now. And once you join this program, then you can learn and you can build your buyer list, and you can build your business. Still you have any question, if you have a doubt, and if you want to ask a question about this program, for some have a special question, feel free to contact me, and I'll you and me connect on Zoom call, and where I'll explain and I'll give you answer to your questions. After then you can join, but you don't have any doubt, go to and watch free webinar, replay webinar, and access now and invest and start your journey. And I am with you, Zono with you. So thanks for watching this week number 4 explanation. And if you have any doubt, if you want to know what you get inside week number 5, simply stay on and click the next button and watch next lesson. Thank you.